Hey, it's Todd, and welcome back to Wall Street Words. Today's word is sell side. There's a buy side of Wall Street and there's a sell side. If you're an investment bank, you're on the sell side. This includes analysts, brokers, people in mergers and acquisitions. They're selling the investment community investments and advice, hence the sell side. Sell side firms are largely firms that are involved in the creation of stock and bond and the sale of those securities to the public, to sell to public pension plans, to sell to endowments, mutual funds, etc. Sell side is an important part of the capital markets. It's what we consider a broker today. You may call a sell side broker at Morgan Stanley who's a retail broker, or there may be an institutional broker, but largely these analysts and bankers, specialists are on the sell side. They're selling securities to the public. Hey, as a side note, I started out my career at a major Wall Street firm called Dean Winter Reynolds, which later merged with Morgan Stanley. Thanks for watching Wall Street Words. Today's word is sell side.
Hey, thanks for watching Wall Street Words. Please subscribe and hit that bell below. If you think this video adds value, please share it with somebody. By the way, if you want to watch more Wall Street Words videos, there's 2 videos right here you can watch right now. There's new videos every day. Thanks for watching Wall Street Words. Always great things happening here.